Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I've got quite a bit of a haul. I've got some bits from Home Bargains, The Range and B&M. I haven't got as much from Home Bargains and B&M, but I've got quite a lot of stuff from The Range. Listen, The Range had so much goodies in that period of time for like all the autumn bits and stuff, and I got to The Range quite late. I hadn't realised that they had put out so much stuff, so I'm actually happy I got what I got. Some bits I had to order online and some stuff were actually in the store, but we'll get to that. So get yourself comfy because I think we've got quite a few things to get through. So let's start with Home Bargains. This pumpkin cushion, this was £5.99, which was a bargain. I don't remember seeing any other colours. This is the main colour that I saw. It was originally meant to be for my daughter's bed, but when I saw it on mine, I just took it and I just thought, okay, this is lovely. And I've ordered her another one, so she's still happy. And I think her one's actually going to be slightly bigger. So I got this at £5.99. It's so lovely. It feels so soft. And I love this kind of colour because it ties in with like the neutral kind of home that I have. So yeah, £5.99. If you can grab your get your hands on one, try. I know that a lot of stuff are gone now, but you just never know, so try. The next thing I got from Home Bargains is this wreath. Now this wreath was actually £9.99. You can see here. I seen this wreath in Matalan and I saw it in HomeSense. HomeSense was about £18. Matalan, I believe, was about £26, and I got it for £9.99, which is so lovely. It's got all the details in it. I did get some pumpkins from The Range, like these little knitted ones that I'm thinking of popping on there, but my daughter's taken them, so that's going to be a no. But it's so lovely. I mean, and it's so nice. It's so neutral. It's not too much. I'm not a girl that loves oranges and things for autumn, so yeah, I've kind of stayed away from the oranges. I'm more like the neutrals, the browns, and those kind of autumnal, more muted colours. But that was from Home Bargains, and I think that's all I got from Home Bargains actually. So let's move on to B&M. So from B&M, I really didn't get a lot. I saw this candle that I really liked from B&M. It's not giving me much focus. This was £3. It smells really, really nice. It says it's soft sunset scented candle, and it's supposed to be part of their bathroom collection. It looks so much more expensive than what it is, £3. So I wish I got another one though. There's a lot of things here that when I look at them, I'm like, why didn't I get another one? So that was £3, which I got, and I really, really like that. The next thing that I got is this cute little acorn candle as well. I love the colour. I think it'll look lovely on like some coffee books for the coffee table. And it's so cute. The scent is not actually not bad, but to be fair, I didn't buy it to burn it. I think I just bought it more for the style and look of it and the colour. And I believe this was £3 as well. But yeah, lovely. They had it in a green, but green's not my thing, so obviously I didn't get that. So that's that. Sorry if I keep looking back, as I've got to grab the stuff behind me, the way I've situated myself. Then I got this. Now this is supposed to be white, and me and my daughter was doing some DIY stuff in the garden because we had got some really nice pumpkins from Hobbycraft, and she designed them and decorated them with some acrylic paints. And so I think I just got a bit wild, and I just thought, oh, I wonder if I can turn this into like a rustic kind of candle. It's a candle holder, guys, by the way. It didn't turn out too bad. I don't know how I feel about it, but yeah, that's what I did. It was meant to be white, guys. It was meant to be white. So I think I'm going to go back and get the white one as well. Placed on some books, it actually doesn't look that bad, okay? So don't come for me in the comments. But it was £2, so can't really complain. And we had a fun time doing it, so yeah. And I believe that's all I got from B&M. So let's get on to The Range, because that's where I got a lot of stuff from. I actually forgot to show you guys something else from B&M which I got, which is this cute little knitted pumpkin. So cute. This was £3, I believe. I got one You guys know what I'm going to say. I wish I got two, but it's fine because I feel like I've got other pumpkins as well. But I just think they're so cute when you just dot them around the house. So yeah, so that was £3, and it's this really nice, it's not white, it's like it's cream beigey kind of color. You got the wooden stalks, and then you just got that little pop of orange there, which is fine. I don't mind that. But yeah, so that was £3. I also got well, this is from the range now, which is these 3 pumpkins. So these are the 3 pumpkins that I got. As you can see, it's this like rusted orange, cream, and this beautiful brown. I'm really trying to find what goes with my cushions at the back here, but I'm really trying to find more of these kind of tones, especially like, I don't mind orange, but this rustic orange. I believe this was £5. I got the last one in my store, but in other stores, I don't know if they're still available, but I got it, and I'm glad I got it, and they're lovely. And again, this is nice to dot down. You can put it on a tray with lots of little bits. It's up to you. There's so many ways you can style the pumpkins, and they're so cute around the house. So I got that as well from the range. And again, the range just had so much nice stuff. Now this find, I was so excited when I got it. It was £5.99, ridiculous. It looks so much more expensive, and on top of it I actually got £2 off because there were some stems missing, which was fine because I know that I can add them to the plant. Look at this, look at that, look at the terracotta base. Look, I just think that's actually really, really nice. Now I need to add some more stems to it to just bulk it out a bit, but on a table, and I've used this already next to a candle, it just looks gorgeous. Let me move back a bit more. Look at that. £5.99. That's ridiculous. I'm sorry. I just think that's really good. Maybe it's just me, but I think that's really, really good for the price. They did have some online. They're sold out because I wanted to get another one to put somewhere else in the house, but they're sold out, and then in store I couldn't find them. So I'm kind of gutted, and I'm hoping that I will be able to find them and get another one, because I just think little things like this potted around the house with a candle or next to a book or something just really elevates the house. It just gives it a whole completely different look. So that's another thing that I got from the range. Another thing that I got from the range, which I actually saw Rosie Henshaw, she done a haul. This is a little while back actually. She grabbed this in the range, and I kid you not, I've been looking, couldn't find it, and I was like, no, what is it? You know when you're trying to look in their videos to see, like, if, you know, people who have done hauls when they've gone into the range and they've taken videos. I was looking high and low for this board. When she said it was only £10, I was like, I have to get that board. And lo and behold, I managed to get hold of it. It came into stock online, but as soon as it came in, it literally went again. So thank you, Rosie Henshaw. If you don't know who she is, go and check her out. She's so lovely. This wooden board, look, is a display board. Oh, it's so good. It's so, look, I'm going to put it in front of my face, guys, because I don't know how I'm going to do this to get it in the camera. But it's so lovely. £10. I mean, look at it. And the thing is, if you want to make it more rustic, you can. If you want to stain it, you can. That's just the legs of it. So I'm thinking just to put like a nice vase on it with a candle, put it on, you can, you know, if you've got big enough work surfaces in the kitchen, or you've got a nice table. I just thought £10, you can't go wrong with that. So I grabbed that, and it's out of stock. I will check again and see if I can link it, but I believe this is out of stock because I know when it came in, it went. So that was absolutely lovely for the price. I know in a lot of places, things like that, you're looking at £30, £30, £40 with, you know, those kind of prices. So to get it for £10 is really, really good. Another thing that I got from the range is this candle. I more got it for the aesthetics, if I'm being honest, because sometimes when you have a neutral home, sometimes you want to break it up with maybe a bit of blacks or earthy greens. Well, that's just me anyway. It does smell really nice. It smells like pumpkin and spice or something, but it's actually dark amber and vetiver. I don't know if I'm saying that right. Vetiver. I'm saying it like it's French or something. But it smells lovely. I hope I'm not ruining the name. Vetiver. Yeah, you get the drift. But it's a lovely, lovely candle. And it's glass as well. Can you hear that? And I thought it's just really, really nice. They also have it in black, which I may go back and get. And they've got quite a lot of these. So I'm not really worried about them being out of stock, because they've got quite a few of these candles in black as well. Another pumpkin. which was $3.99. And if you can hear it, it's a matte pumpkin. You could DIY it, I guess, and paint if you didn't want to keep it like this. But it's quite a tall one, which I liked, which was $3.99, like I said. So again, you could put it next to a smaller pumpkin and again, put it around the house. And it's just a nice little touch for the autumnal season. Another thing that I got also, sorry guys, with my back and twisting and all sorts, I just have to work with my space. Oh no, did I break this? What did I do with this? Why does it look like it's melted? Okay. I got these little pumpkins as well from the range. Now, I know I said I don't like orange, but these are really for my daughter because she loves those colours in her room, like the oranges, the yellows, the neutrals, which is fine. So I got her these. These were $1.99, I believe. So what it is, they're clips, and you can just clip them onto wreaths or any other things that you want to clip them to, you know, give it a bit of a spruce. And then I also got these ones, which are really, really lovely. Now, these are the ones I was saying I might put on the wreath, but my daughter is adamant that I'm not going to get them, so I doubt it. The last time I went to the range, I think they still had these, so I might quickly pop back and see if I can get a pack so I can just add a bit more to the wreath and see how they look. I'm not sure. I don't want the wreath to look tacky either. But these are really nice. $1.99 as well. Another thing that I got, I told you guys I got a lot from the range, was this set of wooden trays. Now these are like an acacia wood, and you get two. So you get the small one, and then you've got the big one. Guys, this was $10.99 for the set. Look, $10.99 for two of these, and the color is so lovely. You would never think, like, where did I watch? What was I looking at the other day? And I saw something similar to this for like £25.99, and it was one. So you've got two of them for $10.99. They still had loads when I went into store. Check online. I don't know what the name is for them online. I will try my best to link some of these items below. But again, can you imagine these with a couple of pumpkins in them? Look really, really lovely. Just put it around the house. You can use these for the kitchen, the living room, the bedroom. There's so many places that you can use these trays. Will I get another one? I don't know. They just come in so handy. But yeah, I love them. Those are really, really nice. Okay, so now we're going to move on to some of the flowers and bits that I got from the range. I got a few. Some I'm still questioning if I'm going to keep because, you know me and the too much orange. Yeah, I'm not really sure, but we'll get into that. Now look, that actually is quite nice. These are all the foliages. These are all the stems that I got from the range. So I'm going to go through them with you, but actually together they don't look too bad. Yeah, they actually are quite pretty. So let's go through them one by one. So the first one that I got from the range was this beautiful brown one. Now this is more up my street. I really like this colour. I wish I got more. I got one thinking, oh yeah, I could go back. If I don't like it, I can bring it back. Or if I do, I can get more. I picked up one, got home. I forgot it in the boot for a while. Took them out, realised how lovely they are. Realised how much more I needed. And guess what? I can't find these anywhere. These were, I think, $3.99. I think they were $3.99 or $2.99, one of them, but they were obviously less than £5. Lovely. And I feel like these just look nice. They're not too orange. Oh, they're so gorgeous, and I really wish I got more of them. So yeah, if you can get them, you may have them still in your store. You never know. I've tried online, but they're just like, it's the no online. The same with these white ones. I didn't know what to do with these. So I thought I'll get one, take them home, forgot them in the boot. And then when I did take them out, guess what? I liked them. And I've only got one, but I just have to work with them. I'm glad I got one. But yeah, just kind of wish I got more. And they're so lovely. Look at them. Gorgeous. So that's that. The other one I got was this pretty. Now, at first I was like, I'm not really feeling this. But then the other day I just twisted it around. And I actually thought this looks really, really nice. Just to give somewhere a pop. Now, this is probably the most I'm going to go for in regards to like the yellows and oranges. But I think in terms of the pop of colour and because it looks realistic, they're actually really nice. Now these I got 2 of. I believe that these are actually still in store, and they're actually still online. So I got 2, so I thought that would look pretty in a nice vase. So those are the 2 that I got. These were actually $1.99 each, which I think is really, really good. So yeah, so $1.99 per stem. And like I said, they've got these online the last time I looked, and I've seen them still in store. So if you love them, go and get it now. And then the last set of stems that I got, which I'm not sure about, and I don't know, are these. Now, the thing is, it's like I like them, but then I don't like them at the same time. I don't know if when the light hits them, they look a bit orangey too much. These are let me show you stem by stem. So this is what it looks like. Now, I don't know if maybe they would have looked better added to other plants as opposed to all by them all together. Then I was thinking, do you think I'll be able to dye the tip of them so they're not so orange? I don't know. Sometimes I like them, sometimes I don't. It's really, really weird. I probably will end up keeping them because if I'm going to be honest, I actually don't know what I've done with the receipt. Now, these were actually $2.99 per stem. I do think they're nice in terms of the bounce, the way they bend and how they sit in a vase is really, really nice. So I probably end up keeping them. If I really feel like I'm not feeling them, can't find a receipt, I know my mum would love these, so we'll see. I'm going to style them around and see. We are planning on moving soon, so I'm kind of limited with the styling because everything's just everywhere at the moment. So we'll see how it goes. So that's that. And then my last thing from the range, I know I told you I got a lot, is this bad boy. No, not the plant. I've already showed you the plant. I'm just trying to put this down gently because everything is everywhere. Is this absolute bad boy. Now I'm sure you've seen this around. This was £25. £25. Like, I've seen this in shops, in small business accounts. I've seen similar things to this for like £45, £60. £25. Look, I wonder if I still got, look, £25. The tag is still on there. I'm not lying to you guys. £25, and it's so heavy. I need to put it down. It is so heavy, and even like the ring around it, like the top of it where you can put, oh, it's lovely. Look, compared to my head, such a lovely face. You're gonna hear me say it again, guys. I wish I got another one, because I'm thinking you could have easily DIY'd it to make a beautiful black one, a rustic one, even a nice neutral browny beige one. I don't believe they've got any more of these online, and I haven't seen them in my local range. I may try a different branch, because for £25 I really should have got another one. It's so cheap, it's affordable, and the quality of it is absolutely amazing. So yeah, that is it. That is the haul, guys. That's all the bits that I got from the range. I'm sure there's something in the house that I've totally forgotten about that I've got from the range, but I really, really enjoyed the range this year. I haven't shopped in a range for a little while. I feel like B&M kind of taken over. B&M's been okay. I feel like they've had the same stock for the past year now, and it's like going there and it's like, oh, you find like 1 or 2 new items. That's with my one anyway. I've seen on YouTube, I've seen on Instagram that there's new stock in other places, but for some reason in mine, and I'm based in London, there just doesn't seem to be that much. And I don't know if that's more to do with being based in London. I don't know, in terms of like the stock and stuff. But I've got another haul coming. The other haul have got some bits from H&M, Dunelm, Matalan. Where else have I been? HomeSense. Oh, I've got some lovely stuff from HomeSense. Some really nice flower stems from HomeSense that have been absolutely, oh, when I saw them, I was in love. Where else is there? And a few other little places that I will drop in, like Tesco. I've got a few bits from. And then I'm going to do a separate other video, which is the Stacey Solomon George Asda collection. I actually got a few bits from my bank right now, and I'm going to be sharing that with you as well. So there's a couple of hauls coming your way, guys. So make sure you subscribe, because then you're going to miss them, and then, you know, you just won't see me again. So make sure you like, make sure you subscribe. Tell me if there's any bits that you've been enjoying at any of the local shops or high street shops. And yeah, until the next video, I look forward to seeing you guys. Take care. Bye.